Hi there. I just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how to adjust your notifications to make sure that you are aware of the things that you need to be aware of and not getting all kinds of messages for things that aren't very relevant to you. So I'll go ahead and just show you that really quickly. You'll need to come into your Canvas here, go up to the account in the side tab, go to settings. From here, you'll click on notifications in that navigation bar. And then here you can adjust which notifications you would like to get. So the ones that I recommend are definitely you want to have that announcement one clicked, and this will make sure that anytime I post an announcement, which I will be doing weekly, that you get that announcement and you don't miss anything. You might also click the one for submission comment. A lot of times when I am grading your work, I might leave some feedback for you, and just so you don't miss that, you can get that. And then there's one more here, a conversation message. So I would recommend you trying to get that notification as well so that you don't miss out if there's something in your inbox. Okay, the other thing I want to show you is how to set up or how to link your Canvas to another email. So give me just a second here and I will show you how to do that as well. So this is how to update your contact information so that when you do get the notifications that it's going to the right place. So again, in this navigation bar on the left, you'll go to settings, and then over here on the right, you'll see that your school email address, if you haven't changed this already, your student email is the one that will be here. You can connect to a different email. So if you use Gmail, Hotmail, whatever it is, you can connect that email. You should still check your student email, but just in case you want to make sure you're getting those notifications, do that. And then if you'd like to connect another device like your phone, then you can add that in here. Okay? So that's going to be it for this tutorial. I hope that that was helpful and that you can update your notifications to stay up to date on everything. Thanks.